Chef Lee here. Today we're making chocolate almond milk gelato. Now the almond milk gelato is far healthier for you than standard ice cream, which is why we're making it. So here we go. We have 6 cups of almond milk, 8 eggs beaten thoroughly, 1/3 of a cup of cocoa powder, 1/2 cup of organic blue agave nectar, 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. Make sure it's pure for the best flavor. And then we have 1/2 teaspoon of salt. As you see, I have my pan heating up here. Let's just add the almond milk to it. Now I have it heating on high, so when it's on high, you just want to work pretty quickly. The almond milk will just take a minute here to warm up. And while that's warming, let's go ahead and combine the cocoa powder with the agave nectar. Now what this does is it makes the cocoa powder incorporate into the mix much better and easier when you actually combine it with the agave nectar. It also takes some of the lumps out of the cocoa powder. Very, very nice. You see how that comes together? You know, my mix looks slightly lumpy here, but that's okay because it'll all come out when it gets heated up into the gelato base here. So let's just stir around the almond milk to get it thoroughly heating. Again, we have this on high, so it'll cook pretty quickly. Okay, let's go ahead and add our eggs. And you want to whisk while you're adding them, just so that the eggs do not scramble. It's actually easier if you incorporate the eggs when the almond milk is not quite heated up yet. Whisk, 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 whisk away. Now we want to add our chocolate and agave together. Just go ahead and add her all in there. And with that in there, keep her moving, right? Go ahead and add our vanilla and our salt. And then we just want to whip this together, whipping constantly. About 2 to 3 minutes total whisking time here. Make sure you get into the little crevices in the pan here, you know, in the corners of the pan on the bottom. Make sure you get all of that so that the egg doesn't hide out and make scrambled eggs in your mix, you know. I can feel it tightening. I can see it about ready to come to a boil. You see how it's moving around here, around the edges, you see? Come up to a boil. So that's the part where we want to stir it really good. Don't let her overflow, obviously. Kind of a fine line here, because she's thickening, getting all the thickening power she can get right now. Okay, let's go ahead and turn it off. Now what we want to do is put it in an ice water bath, as you see here. Just put her right in there. And what we want to do is cool this down to a refrigerated temperature, about between 33 to 40 degrees, so that we can add it to the ice cream maker. Okay, our gelato base has cooled to the point where it's like refrigerated temperature. Here is our ice cream maker. You can see the top. This is a motor here which does all the work, so I'm just going to pop this off, just like that. And on the inside here, you can see you have an inner cylinder here. It has a nice little lid. Here's the paddle on the inside that does all the churning action. And this is actually an aluminum sleeve inside the ice cream maker that does all the action. It gets all the, cools down very, very nicely. You know, sub-freezing temperatures when you add the salt and the ice together to get it super cold. So what I want to do is put this back together for a moment while we fill it with ice. Now we need to put ice all around the outside here. So here we go. What we're doing is like 3 layers. We're going to do ice, salt, more ice, and you guessed it, more salt on top. So now this is kosher salt that we have here. We're going to add a liberal amount. More ice. More salt. Alrighty, so let's take off the lid and fill her up. Put our lid back on. And then put our motor on. And it fits right on there. Okay? Then, once that's on, I put on my final batch of ice. And then turn it on. Okay, our almond milk gelato has finished churning. Now let's take a look. Take the top off there. Let's take a look on the inside. Whoa, take a look at that. How beautiful is that, huh? Nice chocolate almond milk gelato. Let's take a little taster here. Oh, look at that texture. Isn't that beautiful? I gotta tell you, that's better than regular ice cream. And I am the original ice cream aficionado, having eaten tons of ice cream when I was a little kid. But obviously we can't keep doing that all throughout our whole lives. I have to find other alternatives, which is why I made the chocolate almond milk gelato in the first place. Now, if you didn't know that this didn't have all the fat and sugar of regular ice cream, you just wouldn't know, right? But it's just that good. So I urge you to make this and to eat healthier in your daily lives. Enjoy! Now let's take a look at the nutritional analysis. This is regular ice cream, 485 calories, 40 grams of fat, 326 milligrams of cholesterol. Here's almond milk gelato, 81 calories, 1.4 grams of fat, and 1.4 milligrams of cholesterol. Comparisons: by eating almond milk gelato instead of classic ice cream, you save 404 calories, 39 grams of fat, 325 milligrams of cholesterol, and 35 milligrams of sodium. So why wouldn't you make this your go-to ice cream? It is beautiful and delicious. Enjoy. Happy cooking.